Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your computer from overheating and shutting down on you with a quick, simple settings adjustment. So what we want to do is go on down to search and just type in choose power plan and go to this option right here, choose a power plan. And there's going to be an option under here for balance or ultimate, but we want to go to change plan settings. Now, when we go here, go to change advanced power settings. And this little box will open up. Now, it's kind of hard to see, but we want to go on down to where it says balance. If we have the option for power saving, go ahead and select that. Otherwise, we have to adjust everything under here. So we want to go to the processor power management and then go to the maximum processor state. Now, you might have yours set to 100. So your CPU is going 100% and is creating way too much heat. So if we drop this down to like 95% when it's plugged in or on battery or something like that, if you got a laptop, this is going to lower your CPU to 95% and it's not going to get as hot. So just go ahead and try this. It worked for me in the past. Or just go to power saving on the top for your gaming. Then it's never going to get to that maximum state and then shut down on you. So just try 95%. Now it's going to lower your CPU performance a little bit, but it's not going to go ahead and get to 100% and then trying to keep ramp up from there and then crash your computer. So go ahead and just try this out. Worked for me. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.